Are we really that different? Females use an additional realm of the unconscious mind. When a woman understands their unique design and how to capitalize on it by healing their own hearts, in line with their design and not against it, they feel like they are now free to discover who they are. Firstly, we have to find out what we are. We are out there trying to run male software in our female hardware, just like trying to install an Android app on an iPhone. The majority of approaches and even goal setting work really well for the majority of men, but only 1 in 5 women. Our partners and the ones we love and share our lives with love it when we get back to who we really are. When we truly understand how we work, we can teach the men in our lives how we work so they don't see us as crazy, because yes, we can bloody well seem crazy at times. Understanding our cyclic nature and that our brain runs an entire life creation machine that actually shares our daily energy. A man's mind is steady, his emotions are steady, he thinks in a linear way. Expecting a woman to always see things one way and remain steady is not realistic. Women are unique, and it's time we all understood ourselves a little better. There is a 1% biological difference from women to men. Every single cell is different. In 3,000 years, they could tell you by digging up your bones, just by testing them, if you were male or female. It runs that deep. It's actually everything. We are the same in many ways. We all want peace, love, and happiness. But where we are different is how we get there. Men have spatial awareness and are more peripheral. That's why they make great drivers. Women are more naturally focused. Hyperfocus can cause us to stress and ruminate more on particular things. Our retina cells differ, so we actually see the world differently. Females and males watching the same movie together experience the entire movie in a different way. We show emotion at almost opposite stages of a movie and even contrasting emotions. We could have so much fear while they are having so much enjoyment. Females detect colours better and contrast more starkly. Our brain is designed knowing that we are different. Men are built to hunt, protect, and provide. Women are built to nurture, sense moods, pick up on minute changes. Understanding our differences means we can understand what works for us. We are different, so we need something different for lasting change. Many women find that they spend time and money trying to overcome emotional issues just to find that they keep coming back. This is because the approaches available, such as psychology, NLP, and hypnotherapy, were designed with the belief that a brain is a brain, but not taking into account the female difference. The reason this approach is so different is because I work with the female mind, understanding all the differences, which enables me to facilitate deep, fast, irreversible, guaranteed change. I understand women and I understand change. If you've noticed that things you have tried in the past have not given you lasting change, and you're looking for that final answer, where it will be the last money you will ever spend on the same issues, you have finally found the approach made just for you.